everyone, welcome back. My name is Lata from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today's subject is analysis design of algorithm. The topic is bubble sort. Before going to the main topic, first let us see what is algorithm is. An algorithm is a set of instruction that is designed to accomplish a task. An algorithm usually take one or more inputs and run them systematically through a series of steps and provide one or more output. An algorithm are typically associated with computing and are an essential element of computer programming. And this is the diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. First we are going to give inputs to the system, and the set of rules of obtain the expected output from the given input, and finally it returns the result as in output on the screen. Let us see what is bubble sort is. A bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by comparing the adjacent elements in the list and swapping them if the elements are not in the specific order. It is an in place and stable sorting algorithm that can sort items in data structures such as array and linked list. And and the bubble sort is not suitable for large data sets because it is average and worst case time complexity is quite high. The bubble sort algorithm in C. The algorithm to sort data of the list in increasing order using bubble sort in C is: first it run two loops nested in one another. In second step, the outer loop will run from I is equals to 0 to I less than n minus 1, where n is the number of elements in the list. In third step, the inner loop will run from j is equals to 0 to j less than n minus I minus 1. It is because after each iteration of the outer loop, one element at the end or at the start in the order is decreasing order will be in its right place, so we can leave. And this is the pseudocode algorithm for bubble sort, that is sequential bubble sort of A. For I to 1 to length of A, do. For j to length of A down to I plus 1, do. If A of A less than A of j minus 1, then exchange A of j to A of j minus 1. In this pseudocode algorithm, it explains that in step 1 it starts with the first element, that is index is equals to 0, and compare the current element with the next element of the array. In second step, if the current element is greater than the next element of the array, and it swap and then swap them. In third step, if the current element is less than the next or right side of the element, move to the next element and go to the step 1 and repeat it until the end of the index is reached. And let us take some simple example for bubble sort. This is the array example of an array, that is 5 1 4 to 8. In first pass, as algorithm explains, we will take 5 as an I and 1 as an j. In this, as condition set, I should be lesser than j. If I is lesser than j, there is no swap will occur. If the I is greater than j, the swap will happen. Now let us check 5, 5 and 1. In that, 5 is greater than 1, so swap them each other. So it will become 1 5 4 to 8. And next step, let us take 5 and 4. Compare 5 with 4. In that, 5 is greater than 4, so again swapping will happen. In the next step, we will compare 5 with 2. 5 again here 5 is greater than 2, so swapping will happen. Next, lastly, compare the 5 with 8. Here 5 is lesser than 8, so here no swap will happen. After this, again check 1 with 4. So here 1 is lesser than 4. Here also no swap will happen. After this, let us compare 4 with 2. Here 4 is greater than 2. So we will swap 4 with 2. After swapping it, it will become 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Let us take 4 and 5 and compare the 4 number of I with number of j. Here 4 is less than 5, so here also no swap will happen. In last step, compare 5 with 8. Here also 5 is less than 8, condition satisfied, so no swap will happen. Again, let us check once again. All the elements are all the elements are in correct order. Let us compare 1 with 2. Condition here 1 is less than 2, so condition satisfied. No swap will require. And let us compare 2 with 4. Here also 2 is less than 4, condition satisfied. The no swap will happen. And after this, let us compare 4 with 5. 4 is also less than 5, condition satisfied, no swap will happen. 5 with 8, 5 is less than 8, so no swap will happen. After this, all the elements are arranged in correct order. So this is how bubble sort will work. And finally, it returns the value from a smaller to higher number, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. And this is the simple program for bubble sort, that is hash include stereo.h void swap of integer into array int I int j, and we will assign the integer temp is equals to array of I, array of I is equals to array of j, and array of j will return temp. And we will apply bubble sort to the array, that is void bubble sort of int array of and int n, open parenthesis, int I comma j semicolon for I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. I will increment it. For j is equals to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, and j will increment. If array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, it will swap array of j plus 1. And it will print the array void print array of int array int size, and open parenthesis int I semicolon for I is equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus. Print f of %d array of I, print f of open bracket backslash n close bracket semicolon, it return the value of n, closed open close parenthesis. Int main, in int main we will assign int array of numbers is equals to, that is 5, 1, 4 to 8, and int n is equals to size of an array / size of an array of 0. We will apply bubble sort of array and comma n. It print the sorted array and print array of array comma n, and it returns the 0. And this is about bubble sort. Thank you.